we saw very early on that the impact that the pandemic is having, because it was such a big shock for most people that they were finding it difficult to adjust to a completely different lifestyle. Took on, where we actually got, discussed with Yordos and made sure that we got them on board to really help our employees with respect to mental wellness. And then we did a few uh, so we did a few initiatives within the company to ensure active lifestyle, where people would post images of their workout and would tag another colleague, and then they would, and it was a chain that was building out. We did some cooking, event where people would cook different dishes and they would show that to the team members. So really recreating um, different pieces of the office life virtually. So those were some of the things that we did, including conducting some games, playing a 29 match, a Ludo match, which is like very popular among our people. So we did conduct those games, and more so to build connectivity among the team members. And apart from that, I think we also work towards figuring out how to ensure that people are more prepared for this new normal, right? And I mean, so proactively, instead of having, so initially we were just telling people once every 2 weeks, updating them about the new status on work from home. Every month we would send an email, we are work from home again for another month. After some time we realized, this is not a short term thing, and we announced permanent work from home for till December, and then extended it further. And this was more so from the point of view that so that people could actually do long term planning. And some people who are living alone, they could, maybe if they're looking to go home, they could go home, and whatever planning that they needed to make, to kind of uh, uh, to make their life workable, we actually offered them that planning infrastructure needed. Apart from that, we proactively worked with their managers and made sure that each of them, they actually talk to their employees, and while they talk to their employees, uh, they should seriously start discussing, uh, especially when they're setting up work from home infrastructure. So we started working with them to bring a working hour schedule for each of them, right? And we proactively promote that they mark those in their calendars. And once they had these structures in place, it worked well. Then we also set up this chai sessions, and where we would virtually sit and just have tea, and just random people within the team, and I would just call any person and have tea with them, and that ensured that the connectedness was there. So these are some of the initiatives that we took.